Hi everyone, my name is Daniele Turra. I am a product specialist and digital activist based in Italy. Today we are going to talk about the importance of imagining alternative, truly representative web applications. The current state of the web does not allow for an extensive online representation of local communities, especially in the global south. Social media applications can be made global in their reach, but they are often not owned and developed by locals, and therefore languages and culture are all not fully considered in the software development life cycle. If we want to create a web that is truly respectful of local identities, we must work on including local communities in creating open source social media. In this sense, I believe that the Fediverse gives us some hope. The Fediverse is a collection of independently run small social networks that communicate with each other. Just like with emails or phone calls, you don't need two different accounts or phone numbers to communicate with somebody else that is using a different provider. Instead of one big tech giant, this type of social media is distributed in different parts, run by different communities. So, federating your community means to join a single universe used by millions. The benefits of this kind of open source social media include enabling freedom of choice in terms of privacy, moderation, decision making, learning about a web focused on a smaller and local scale, empowering the local software industry to readapt the software in its own context for the not-for-profit, public, and private sectors. My project aims to make this decentralized open source social media more accessible to everybody, wherever they are from. Using an agile approach, we started to develop a proof of concept as a WordPress plugin, as it is one of the most common software used for creating blogs worldwide. However, it is vital to get user feedback, and that is why I am performing cycles of analysis and implementation, backed by the results of research at an organizational and user level. Organizational research is aimed to understand best practices for deployment in organizations, as well as to map the ecosystem of local enablers, such as cooperatives, community network operators, and local media outlets. The other vital step is user research, which involves surveys on demographics, usability, and functional testing. The last step will involve campaigning to increase adoption and further grow the community behind the project. So, what can you do to help? My activities so far have been focused on Europe, but my goal is to include the Global South. If you're interested in helping, you can participate in the surveys and interviews for providing insights on your own community. You can offer your skills as a programmer. You can also be part of the early adopters. Or you can also help us spread the word through campaigning and advocacy. Thank you everybody for your attention. I hope you learned something new and interesting today. I hope to hear back from you very soon. Thank you again.